Hi there, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with JBM. Today, I'm going to show you how to make honey Dijon dill trout with shingled potatoes and roasted Brussels sprouts. This easy recipe only requires 10 minutes prep time and 30 minutes cook time before you're sitting down with a delicious, healthy, and savory meal. Here's what you'll need to get started. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Wash and dry all of your produce. Then cut your potatoes into 1/4 inch thick rounds. If you have little ones, this is a great opportunity to get them involved as well. They can collect the rounds and throw them into the bowl. Next, mince your garlic. In a large bowl, toss the potatoes. This is the part that I really love getting my daughter involved. Next, you're going to add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. I usually just eyeball it. Then, a couple of large pinches of salt, and then some black pepper. The minced garlic, and then toss the potatoes until thoroughly coated. Next, you're going to arrange the potatoes on a large baking sheet in a single overlapping layer. Be sure to shingle the potatoes so they cook evenly. Now set the potatoes aside and pull out your Brussels sprouts. Trim and halve the Brussels sprouts. In the same bowl used to coat your potatoes, add the Brussels sprouts with a drizzle of olive oil. Then you're going to do the same thing with the salt and pepper. Once you've added these, you're going to toss the Brussels sprouts until evenly coated. Once coated, you're going to place the Brussels sprouts face down on the other half of the baking sheet. Then bake for 20 minutes on the middle rack. While your vegetables are baking, halve, peel, and mince your shallot. Then you're going to pick and finely chop the fronds from the dill. This is also a step your kids can do if they want to get involved. Next, you're going to zest your lemon and then quarter the lemon. Two of the wedges will be used in this recipe, and the other 2 can be used for garnish. Next, you're going to place an aluminum sheet on your countertop to catch moisture. Try to avoid little fingers. Then, line it with paper towels. Next, you're going to place your steelhead trout on top of the towels. Pat the steelhead trout dry. Then season all over with salt and pepper. Drizzle some olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Then add the trout skin sides down to the hot pan. You're going to cook until the skin is crispy for about 5 to 6 minutes, then flip your trout until opaque and thoroughly cooked through. I like to cover my trout in this final step to ensure even cooking, but it is not a necessary step. Once the trout is cooked through, I like to turn it onto its sides for a few seconds each just to get a little bit more crisp. If you prefer your trout without skin, this would be the time to remove it. Carefully transfer the trout to a plate and keep covered and warm. To finish our meal, we're going to make a honey Dijon dill sauce. You're going to add a little bit more oil to the pan that you used for the trout, and then add your shallots. cook until translucent. Next, add your honey Dijon, then you're going to add the chicken stock concentrate. Add 1/3 cup of water. Then you're going to stir until the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Next, you're going to add your honey. Once added, stir your sauce again, and then simmer until slightly thickened. Once thickened, add your sour cream, and then add your dill. Squeeze the juice from 2 wedges of lemon, and then add 2 tablespoons of butter. Stir your sauce thoroughly. Let it simmer for a few more minutes while you begin to plate. Add your Brussels sprouts, your shingled potatoes, and your steelhead trout. You're going to remove your sauce and drizzle it over your trout and garnish with some lemon zest. And here you have it! A fresh, hot, tasty gourmet meal made in minutes. If you've enjoyed this video and would like to see more how-to meals and recipes, make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment below on some of your favorite delicious dishes. See you next time!